A tragic aspect of the Aligarh and Kasbah town tragedy. The death of an elephant in Lahore Zoo in Punjab is given more importance and is thought more tragic than the massacre of 250 Mohajirs in Karachi. December 14, 1986 was a Sunday, and people were busy in their offices and businesses. Most of the men were not at home. At that time, the weekly holiday in Pakistan was on Friday. Life was going on as usual in Karachi's Mohajir neighborhood of Kasbah and Aligarh society. It was around 10 o'clock in the morning when suddenly heard screaming noises, and the air echoed with the crackle of bullets. In a moment, a stampede broke out in the bustling bazaars and buzzy streets. Without resisting the savages who had come down from the hills surrounding the neighborhood, more than a dozen people had already been killed. The invaders, armed with Kalashnikovs, rifles, and daggers, entered the houses and started killing women, children, and men, looting and attempting to rape innocent girls and women. This game of blood and fire and death, which started at 10 in the morning in one of the largest and most developed cities of the world, continued till 3 in the afternoon, and then these savage invaders slowly started returning to their hideouts, realizing that there might be no one was left alive there. When this terrible game of death started at 10 in the morning, the local police were already absent. Some people informed the civil administration and, not getting a response from here, they informed the Army Corps already present in the city and asked for help to stop this massacre. But there was no response here either. Neither the civil administration nor the army considered it appropriate to interfere in this game of death that continued for 5.5 hours or so. Even the state-run television, which is funded by the revenue generated from the people of Karachi, sat quietly all day and continued its usual programs. By evening, the news had spread throughout Karachi that the worst massacre in the history of Pakistan had taken place in the Kasbah town and Aligarh society. The people were anxious to know the details, but neither on the radio nor on television, and not in the 5 o'clock local news bulletin nor in the 8 o'clock news summary, there was any information. At 9 o'clock at night, people sat waiting for the news on the state-run television, which was controlled by the regime of so-called Amir-ul-Momineen Zia-ul-Haq, but the channel was giving the usual news. Before the end of the bulletin, a 5-minute-long detailed news was given in mourning for the female elephant that had died in the Lahore Zoo that day, and messages of condolence from the people were read on the death of the animal. And then, finally, the turn of the ordinary insects that were being brutally killed in the Mohajir neighborhoods of the Kasbah town and Aligarh society also came, and a 1.5-line brief news report was read the imposition of curfew in some areas of Karachi.
The price that Mohajir paid for the creation of Pakistan is that they are looked down upon and given less status and value than the corpse of a dead elephant.